Yeah, I connect it like that. That's good, yeah. Alright, so yeah, now let's just put the caps on the ends. Flip horizontal. And yes, I'm working in MS Paint. I don't have a good excuse. It was there, it was free. And I have since learned about other free programs thanks to the knowledgeable viewership that have been hanging out this afternoon. But yeah, I started in MS Paint, and I'm almost done, so yeah, I'm just like sticking with it at this point. Alright, so, and this is phase 3. So save as phase, well, because phase index starts at 0, but yeah, it's the Roman numeral 4, because it's the 4th phase, phase 3. Alright, so it's almost 5 o'clock. At 5 o'clock, I'm going to kick it over to probably 2D Heroes if he's still streaming. I told Tao I might kick it over to him. But yeah, I still don't have an icon for speed, so I could do a cloud. That doesn't make any sense. I could do, yeah, this was my brainstorm to come up with like visually distinct shapes, and I could do like, I mean, I don't know why speed would be represented by a cloud, but we haven't done anything that's like shaped like this yet, so that'd be visually distinct at least. I could do like I could do like the wind. Thank you guys. So funny thing, this project was actually the first game project that I ever worked on, like as a at the start of my like professional game career, was this game basically, and now I'm remaking it. I figured it would be. I'm putting together like a few portfolio pieces. The other two So yeah, of the 3 games, 2 of them are on my website so far. One of them's like just this quick arcadey, block breaker. The other one, the other one is was this like shape based, like slightly puzzly sort of. It's like, I don't know. This one's weird. It's like gambly, puzzly sort of like visual construction sort of game. With like a deck building element to it, and yeah, so I thought like a good third project would be a return to form, which was the first project that I kind of wanted to make as a developer in the first place. So I kind of came back to that. For speed, I kind of like, so I started thinking about cloud, and then I was like thinking about the type of cloud that like you kick up when you like in cartoons, like when a cartoon character like runs, they kick up like a cloud of dust behind them. Although I was thinking like, how would I? Oh yeah, well thank you for tuning in. I'm hoping to do probably around like noonish to 7ish Eastern time most of the week. So I don't know. So yeah, I'm Eastern Standard Time. It's 5 o'clock now. So I usually start like hours earlier in the day, and I usually go for like a little while longer. Today I'm gonna wrap up pretty soon, just because I have a thing to go to this evening. But yeah. So funny you should mention that. Actually, way back when I like months ago when I first started on the project, and I was like doodling ideas for abilities. It wasn't a shoe with wings, but like the speed icon was originally going to be a wing for alacrity. So the reason the reason I put the wing like away is that I went for the dash icon. I went with like this just kind of like, I don't know, just a very like a shape that like kind of gives like the sort of impression that I was hoping to give. But I realized that like it's vaguely shaped like a wing. So if I did this, I probably shouldn't go with the wing anymore. Um, Pictograms at Noun Project. That sounds awesome. And actually, oh, it's funny you should mention that. I Adam McAdamson. I would the air so actually I wasn't even thinking of chevrons per se, but one of the other things I was thinking was like just like a side facing arrow. But then I don't know, maybe like the play icon is good. Oh, or yeah, or like the fast forward icon maybe. Is that what it? That's what it used to be, right? I don't know. That kind of means skip, but that could be fine. Oh, it'd be really funny if I use skip because for range, I'm using like, oh man, range is like really unimpressive. It's like I for some reason I think of it as like the sound as like the icon for sounds. Like it's like you know like if you were gonna mute your speakers, like you would press an icon that looked like that, and it would put like a little like it would put like a little red dash across it or something, or something like that. But yeah, and then someone said it looks like Wi-Fi. It looks like a symbol for Wi-Fi. So like I'm clearly not holding a high bar in terms of like correlation. I That could be good, but I am gonna check this thing out. I'm probably going to do it off stream because if I wait any longer, I'm gonna be late for the next thing that I'm going to go to. But let's see. Yeah, it looks like there's some other interesting blah, 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 blah. There. Oh, cool. A link. Thank you. Yeah, it looks like there are some other good streamers on right now. I don't know if you guys have a. Oh, sweet. Oh, that's really cool. I was just looking at the site and already, yeah, that is just. Oh, and it just keeps scrolling. Oh, that's awesome. So, yeah, oh yeah, so I have to take off, but I am going to, I'm going to kick it over to, there's this other guy who I really like. I really enjoy his stream. I don't know if you guys, maybe some of you already know about him. His name's 2D Heroes, or his username's 2D Heroes, and, I don't know. He's cool. I like his stuff. He has really good narrative. He always talks through like what he's doing. He keeps it very interactive too. Like he keeps up with chat a lot of the time. And then also, hey Pixelbards, how's it going? Unfortunately, I was just wrapping up. I was just about to kick it over to another channel. Yeah, I know. Today's fantastic, and we were I don't know how we got so many viewers because all we were doing was like not pixel art, but like icon art all day, which was super. Oh, he did. All right. So, all right. Well, there are a few other good people online right now. So, do you guys like Siege games? Have you watched his stream before? He also yeah, he just disappeared. Yeah, the two favorites that actually. Yeah, Siege Games is on right now, and he's really good. I think he also has more viewers than this other guy, Mint Arcade. So I think I'm gonna kick it over to Mint Arcade. Yeah, Siege Games is really good. So if you like, I forget what project he's working on. Oh, it's like a. I think last I checked, Mint Arcade was working on like more of a racing type project. So here, I'll put both the links in chat. I think what was it? Siege Games was working on more of like a strategy type. What was it? Like some sort of. I don't think I actually ever even saw his game played. I just remember seeing like the assets he was working on. It looked like it would be like for like a overworld type strategy type situation. So okay, cool, yeah. So yeah, if you like that sort of thing, check out Siege Games. Otherwise, I'm gonna kick it over to Mint Arcade. So thank you so much for everyone who tuned in today. If you like whatever, check out, or there's like a little follow icon down there. If you click the follow thing, then I'm gonna be. I try and keep a good schedule. Like I've been doing about 30 hours a week live. So I usually do it around this time, like in the for me it's like the afternoons, early evenings. So yeah, like anywhere from around like noon to 7 p.m. Eastern time. Check it out. I might be online. And yeah, thank you again. I hope to see some of you guys again soon. Have a good evening, or whatever time of day it is where you are. Bye. And now I'm just going to wait a second because of the delay. Yay, alright. I think I'm offline now, right? I'm not actually online anymore. Or whatever time of day it is where you are. Bye. And I'm just going to wait a second because of the delay. Alright.